Hey buddy, if you want these quirky info videos to pop up in your eyes like a circus show, then subscribe to our channel and give that bell icon a solid whack.
I am 18 years old. My sexual desires are very high. I masturbate every day. Still the desires do not cool down. I always have only thoughts about sex. Because of excessive masturbation, I am feeling weak. Even though I want to stop, I am unable to. I have also fallen behind in studies. Please tell me tablets to reduce the sexual desires in me.
At this age, high sexual desires due to hormones is very normal, but like you, even after daily masturbation, the desires not reducing, always having thoughts, feeling weak and falling behind in studies indicate more than normal hormones. It points towards compulsive sexual behavior or obsessive compulsive disorder kind of issue. No matter how much you masturbate, the desires do not reduce because it becomes a cycle. The more the mind thinks, the hormones get stimulated again. Feeling weak is often not physical but due to mental stress, guilt, or lack of sleep. Falling behind in studies is because of lack of concentration from constant thoughts. Now you are asking for tablets, but at this age no tablet to reduce sexual desires is safe to buy and use at home or online without prescription. Medicines like SSRIs or hormone balancing tablets exist, but taking them without doctor prescription can cause depression or other side effects. So first consult a psychiatrist or sexologist doctor. They will understand your problem completely, and even if they give medicines, they will also suggest psychotherapy along with it. In psychotherapy, cognitive behavioral therapy techniques are taught to control the sex thoughts. For example, doing mindfulness meditation for 10 minutes daily. When a thought comes, just observe it and let it go. Apart from that, daily 1-hour walk or gym, increasing hobbies, focusing on studies, all these naturally reduce the desires. You are not alone at this age. Many young boys face such issues, but with right help they bring it completely under control. Meet the doctor and take not only medicines but therapy also. Then your studies will improve, weakness will go, and sexual desires will balance naturally. Do not fear, asking for help is strength.